monster. They never asked, who made me? Born where the road signs disappear, raised on lessons built from fear. Never knew another way, only what my family'd say. Every sunrise, every meal came with rules carved in steel. Don't ask questions, don't look back, stay beside your family pack. Blood is family, that's all I know. Right or wrong, I never chose. Every road leads back home. Even if I'm all alone, you see terror, I see home. Broken walls where I was grown. You hear screaming, I hear names calling me to stay the same. Every stranger looks afraid. Maybe I was born that way. Maybe they would understand if they'd lived where I began. No school, no hope, no escape, only another empty day. Every chain, every scar tells me who we are. Mirror never tells me lies. I see fear inside my eyes, not because of what I've done, because I know what I've become. If I ever walked away, who would I be today? Every memory pulls me back to the house and railroad tracks. Blood is family, it's all that's left. A life decided without a choice. The world says I'm beyond repair, but nobody was ever there. You made me into your nightmare. I was born into mine.